We're gonna pickle some really lovely sugar snap peas we just picked up from farmer's market, and then my favorite accompaniment to avocado toast, which is pickled radish slices. So when you are pickling, you're taking a brine, usually made with vinegar. I added a little bit of sugar to make this a sweet pickle, and some salt. Bring everything to a simmer until the sugar and salt are dissolved, which we've already done here. Lay these sugar snap peas into your jar, really tightly packed. And then around it, I will jam in my little pieces of radishes. I might find myself sometimes wanting to do a little bit of garlic in there. The trick here is to make sure that everything is nice and tightly packed so that when I pour in the brine, everything doesn't just float to the top. I want all of my stuff to stay submerged and not oxidize while it's pickling. Once everything's tightly packed, I want you to just pour your brine right over everything and make sure it's all fully submerged. Brilliant. And then we'll put a lid on that, stick it in the refrigerator, and it'll take about 2 days to pickle because these aren't super dense. If we were dealing with like carrots and cauliflower, it'd take a little bit longer. And this will store for about 2 weeks in the fridge. So you have between 2 days and 2 weeks to eat these lovely pickles that just remind you of everything that's good about springtime.